Okay, today we are going to learn how to say good morning, good evening, and good night. And then we're going to learn a couple of expressions in Turkish. Okay, so how do we say good morning in Turkish?
Günaydın Yonca.
Günaydın Ayla.
Günaydın Yonca.
Günaydın. Okay, it's evening time and we say good evening. So how do we say good evening in Turkish?
İyi akşamlar.
İyi akşamlar. Tekrar.
İyi akşamlar.
İyi akşamlar Ayla.
İyi akşamlar Yonca.
So, it's time to go to bed. And what do we say?
İyi geceler.
İyi geceler. Tekrar.
İyi geceler.
İyi geceler Ayla.
İyi geceler Yonca.
Okay, now it's time to learn a few expressions in Turkish. Okay, imagine a situation. I cooked a meal and we are just about to eat. Okay, the meal is served. What do I say to the people who will eat the meal?
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun. Tekrar.
Afiyet olsun.
Peki. Okay, so you have finished your meal and it was delicious. Was it? And what do you say to me?
Ellerine sağlık.
Ellerine sağlık. Shall we practice?
Yeah.
Afiyet olsun.
Ellerine sağlık.
Now, you cooked the meal and I eat it.
Afiyet olsun Yonca.
Ellerine sağlık Ayla. Okay. Let's think of a situation where the person has just sneezed. I was like, Çah!
Çok yaşa.
Sen de gör.
Çok yaşa.
Sen de gör. We have just seen somebody working really, really hard. Okay, and we would like to wish this person an easy work. Something like, take it easy. Okay, how do we say that?
Kolay gelsin.
Kolay gelsin. Tekrar.
Kolay gelsin Yonca.
Kolay gelsin Ayla. Now, we would like to wish somebody good luck. So what do we say?
İyi şanslar.
İyi şanslar. İyi şanslar Ayla.
İyi şanslar Yonca.
Teşekkür ederim. Just congratulate somebody. Maybe somebody has just got married or got a new job or finished school. So what do we say?
Tebrik ederim.
Tebrik ederim Ayla.
Tebrik ederim Yonca.
Bravo. Can you remind people how we say goodbye? Because it's the end of our lesson.
Hoşçakalın.
Hoşçakalın. Görüşmek üzere. How do we say good morning? İyi akşamlar. İyi akşamlar. You cook the meal and I eat your meal.
Okay.
Okay. So he comes. Shall we finish this lesson as well?
Yes.
What do we say?
Hoşçakalın.
Hoşçakalın. Görüşmek üzere.